Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, and I'm actually a passenger. I'm in the passenger side as Miss Jam Tours is driving. She's gonna pick me up.
I'm picking you up.
Mapu!
I need to turn this to come back to its original size. Not sure this one to come here.
Yeah, family. So we are driving lesson 107 with Miss Jam Tours. And as you can see, family, we're actually heading out to the store, Quick Mart. So we just say, let me make Miss Jam Tour. Each time I'm going at the ride, each time I'm going on the road, I'll let Miss Jam Tours drive out. That's just the plan, family. Each time I'm going out on the road, Miss Jam Tours will do the driving. I on the bike, man. Go on, Miss Jam Tours. Catching it. Miss Jam Tours catching the strong family.
I don't lift this on. I even got confused what I did there.
Where?
At that corner because of that person.
Eh? Guy.
I just played with my own brains, but I really
And actually
didn't
get
tell
over
what
it.
I didn't tell what I did.
Guy. So Miss Jam Tours, when she car, she panicked.
I'm trying.
Miss Jam Tours.
Freaking me was returning the steering to where it is.
Ah, yeah. So now you know to do that, you feel good?
And overtaking those ladies. Yes, I'm feeling nice.
Okay. So here guys, Miss Jam Tours says she feel nice.
That's why I'm overtaking people so that I don't step on them. That's how you take a bumps. Not the way you joggers.
Miss Jam Tours, teach me how to take bumps, family. Teach me how to take bumps. That's how you take a bump.
Yes. Yeah, that's how you take a bump. Slow, sweet. Motorbike Nope. Guy?
Shit.
Yeah, I wasn't seeing.
You need to learn to drive at night now, sweetie.
Oh, yeah. I'm just enjoying to drive during the day.
Well, I guess it's just a little learning curve. You know, but like learners less live go on the big road. If you had learners less, they can go on the big. You can go on the big road, you know.
Yeah.
You need to have a like, oh, sweetie, whoa.
I'm going in the bush.
Guy. the pavement.
Yeah. Trying to take that corner.
I guess because
I
that
guess
car
because
was.
I saw that come. Anyway, thank God I didn't stop. That one I didn't take it very much. At least not like here.
So yeah, speed so much.
I'm not speeding. Imagine I'm on 10. I don't know 20. Actually 15. I'm not speeding, love. Am I speeding?
Guys, really. Can you manage that? Can you manage to come out through that? Because it's bent up. Alright, turn it around.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice. Straight. No, I'm going.
Like that? Is it straight?
Yeah, it's straight. Go on.
Where is the flag
So, go on. We'll tear off the pavement.
Yeah, I can't fit there. Right. It's on space now. I don't want to leave people.
I'm just trying to be me.
How am I doing? Doing well? Pressing no gas.
You're not pressing on the gas?
Oh, I learned from the best. Now here I can press. Catch up. Just a little though.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tour is doing good. Jam Tour is doing good in our neighborhood.
Look at people with Range Rover. They're doing that person in a motorbike, surely.
You know what?
They're doing him bad on the motorbike.
What is he doing?
No, the motorbike, he would have hit the motorbike guy coming out.
Mm.
Then the motorbike guy is now standing to like maybe question and stuff. But as you can see, I didn't hit them, did I?
Far from them.
You know, sometimes I normally see like somebody is fine, then I don't know, you think they are close, right?
Guys, see they're driving so fast.
Am I scared? And see, I'm taking the bumps good. Sure, I should enjoy my driving. Look at this man. He wants me to overtake him, okay? Or is waiting for that one?
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours reached the end of the road. So you get our Errands lives to go on the big road now. First I'm seeing a BMW van too.
Van? Oh,
Yeah.
the one in...
This one right here.
Wow, me too.
There's some sea lion.
Actually, it's a Mercedes.
Mercy.
Wow. I'm shocked also.
How you feeling?
Awesome.
Feeling awesome?
Yes.
You feeling like you're better than the other days?
Yeah, I guess
Every day you're getting better and better.
Yeah. Especially, it was trouble when this side is.
Yeah.
And then now when I'm in a corner, I'm like, this thing has to come back this side. And then I feel like I still need to turn, so.
Okay. All right, family. So I'm going to take over. We're going to go to the supermarket just to grab a few things.
Now that I can't hit
And let's go. Yeah, family, so we stop at a little stall where we always stop and get something for 20 shillings. Where can you get carrot for 20 shillings?
Imagine.
What else can you get for 20 shillings?
I can get greens if I want.
Yeah? So 20 shillings. 20 shillings is like maybe,
Okay.
how much is that? 100 Jamaica. How much is it? I can't, 20 shillings, how much
20
Jamaica?
shillings. It's
So-
less than $1.
It's less than $1 in Jamaica.
Even here in Kenya. See, $1 is one something, 154 or 144.
Yeah.
But this
Okay.
is 20 shillings.
20 shillings.
Yes.
And you can get some for 20 shillings
Yeah,
in
I can
Kenya.
even get tomatoes and onions.
Tomatoes and onions. Blood clot.
Even meat
You can get meat for 20 shillings.
for 40 shillings.
40 shillings you can get
Yeah, they
meat.
just go and weigh a little just to spice up the food. Let's say you want a
Blood
taste
clot.
of meat.
In Jamaica that unheard of. Most you have a chump up to get a piece of meat.
I was telling
It's
you
like
the
maybe
other day.
300 Jamaican dollars.
I was
That's
telling
like
you.
300 shillings. Yeah.
I was telling you the other day.
So 20 shillings is like 20 Jamaican dollar. 20 Jamaican dollar.
Now what can you do Jamaican dollar?
So because I can get something to buy with it, it is confuse me.
Oh, that's why it's
It
confusing.
confusing me because in Jamaica you can't buy it with $20 sweetie.
That's why I'm telling you, I'll buy carrots for
$20
shillings. You want
maybe
them?
can just maybe buy one sweetie or something.
Guy? Yeah, sweet is 2 shillings or a shilling.
Sweet guy.
This one you can get 10 sweets.
Guy. So family is the difference with Kenya. Wow.
Hi, this one can get you 6 bananas to eat.
6 bananas, 20 shillings.
3 for 10 shillings, 3 for 10 shillings.
Wow. Yeah, family, so like, share this video and let us know your thoughts. It's Miss Jam Tours Driving School 101, 102. We are out. One love, Jamaica.